Yo, Masters of Comedy.
Yo.
We're going to parkour. Walking to 7-Eleven right now.
Yep. Going to some 7.
Holy crap! Look at that tree.
Oh.
We had a hailstorm the other day.
Yeah. If you live in Colorado Springs, then you've experienced it. But if you were like anywhere else, then you did not experience it. It was like the worst goddamn hailstorm in frickin' history. It tore the shit out of my roof. It flooded my basement.
Yeah.
Had to get new walls. Got to get new everything basically down there.
I had to get a new roof.
Destroyed everything. But still, it's green. It's beautiful out here. We're gonna go parkour. It's gonna be awesome.
Have some fun out in the hood.
This is kind of a ghetto neighborhood, but not extremely ghetto. Well, it's actually just the Audubon Apartments is ghetto.
Yeah. Fucking stick walked in front of me and that bitch slapped it in the nose.
There's a symbol right there.
Yeah.
Stands for Jeff Hardy. Freaking greatest wrestler of all time.
This. Oh, there's a car!
I'm holding the camera, but he won't let me have it. I wouldn't trust
What
me.
does this sign say?
What does it say?
It says beware of dog.
How did I see that?
I don't know, it's backwards. That's a...
He won't let me see the damn camera.
Well, you should have just been asked.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're here.
This is where we usually parkour, down by the 7 and Dollar Tree area.
7-Eleven and Dollar Tree are over there.
Yeah. But thankfully there's a shop right here. It's the Valentine's Shoe Care. And the people here don't like us that much.
Yeah, because we're awesome.
Yeah. Apparently the guy, oh, Jesus Christ.
I'm trying to go right and you're walking in front of me.
I don't care. It's a horrible green wall.
Here we are. Noah.
Yeah. We really need to get Jacob down here. Or Declan. Or Christian.
So what are you doing?
I don't know what I'm doing. What are you doing?
Okay, let's start.
Okay.
Gonna pack up.
I'll watch this. It's called a vault for all you people who don't know how to park.
Yes, this is a vault. This is a vault. The double hands are pretty lame, but once we get into scissor vault and reverse vaults with our friends, we'll show you.
Yeah. Wait, are we calling Jacob?
No.
Why not?
Cause.
Okay. Yo, here's Brennan's vault. He used to suck at vaulting, but now he's gotten better. Oh god! Oh god! Oh god! I don't know. I tried to do like panicky cameraman work, like in Cloverfield, or like when somebody's getting chased by a serial killer or monster. They like run. Here's my beautiful face. Right now you are just yeah, there's my head. Alright, Brennan's gonna take the camera again. And now we're gonna
See my bub?
now hold on, we're gonna go to that stair area over there.
Yeah, let's go.
Ready for this epicness?
Black dress.
Brennan, do you want to get down there?
I'm gonna bang you.
You want to get down there and see?
No! Woo! Yeah. Okay. Here's Noah's gonna do something cool now. Here. See? Yeah!
I look good?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, look at a birdie. Oh, he's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Yay! Finally got it. Yeah! He has no fucking muscle. I'm kidding. Alright, here's him. Gonna be given to his hands.
Ah, if I can get it after like 6 tries.
Look at that, Are we still rolling?
See. Okay, we're down to a different spot now. So.
Yeah, we're going to. Leave my hair.
Step through. We'll see you there. We just found a dead birdie.
Maybe 2.
Yeah. It's a little chirplet.
It makes me sad.
I know.
Looks like he like drooled everywhere.
Yeah.
That's sad, man. That's really sad.
Dude, that sucks. Dude, look how small he is too. He's that big.
That sucks, man.
Dang.
It really sucks.
I wish I could put him. Holy crap, dude. His leg is broken.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, that's why you couldn't take off. That's why you died here.
Damn.
That's why you died here, dude.
Yeah. Aw. Poor little guy. Dude, that fucking sucks. Okay. Okay.
I'm not gonna get this right. I already know, but I'm just gonna try.
Go ahead. What are you trying to do?
I was trying to get up to there. That was kind of a fail, though. I didn't. Like, you're supposed to, like, get on, then you're supposed to,
Okay,
like...
we just found 2 dead birds. There's one right here, then one right here. Here, there. I'm starting to get pissed whoever killed these things. God damn it, God damn it.
Alright, this is, like, the greatest wall to run on in history.
You can see there's black marks there already.
Yeah, all these black marks are from me, Brennan, Jacob, Dylan, Christian, and Declan.
Oh, and Jacob and Dylan, you know them from the parkour channel. Parkour for life. Parkour with the number 4, then life. And Dylan from the Slayer,
Yep.
1722.
Yep, alright.
And my brother.
Dylan is... that was incredible Chinese crap.
Okay, here's my wall run.
Yeah, here he goes. Dana. We can get a lot higher than that.
Yeah, I'm gonna go again.
And how he landed, me and Brennan call that the headbang.
Yeah.
But I can actually headbang because he has no hair. Well, he has hair, but he wants to grow it out, but alright. But I don't know. He's not gonna grow it as long as my luscious hair is.
God damn it, God damn it. What is it? Okay, here we go. Good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Worst
What?
wall run in history.
Oh, this
I just found a Thuggin' McNugget thingy. Says Thuggin' McNugget. And I was here. And then arrows. That's better. Trying to show him how to wall run. He already kind of knows, but he's been messing up lately. You gotta be like this. You gotta be like, do 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 do. That's enough parkour for today.
Alright, now we're just
Bye bye. Okay, say bye.
Bye bye.